James Gurry, Managing Director of Aureka here, with another exciting strategic update for our portfolio. We're very pleased to announce this week that we have engaged mill owner and mine operator, the small-scale production specialists, Core Prospecting, to assess the pathway for bringing our St Arnaud Comstock Project into possible early production. Importantly here, we've got the mill access. The guys at Core Prospecting, they own the Wedderburn Mill, and they're going to assess the suitability of our project to be processed at their under-utilised mill. And their work overall will paint the pathway for the regulatory, the engineering, the logistics, and the targeted drilling that we'll need to get Comstock into early possible mining. We look forward to seeing their initial results in the first quarter next year. The Comstock project, it's only 45 kilometres from that Wedderburn Mill, not far in the scheme of things. And if you recall our updates, Comstock, it's a previous mine site where production was last recorded in 1995, when the gold price was less than $400 an ounce. And it's within that historic St Arnaud area that Aureka own as well, where 400,000 ounces at around 15 grams per tonne was produced. That's a very high grade. Now we've got a small starter JORC Resource there at Comstock, 56,500 ounces, and around this we've got the exploration target at up to 114,000 ounces. And we've been successfully drilling into this area this year. And the strategy here is to investigate the possibility of targeted small-scale production to bring in revenue to Aureka. You will recall our recent highlight results from our drilling there at Comstock, including 1 metre at 65 grams per tonne from a shallow 116 metres down. And this included a subsection of up to 109 grams per tonne. We've also had some other excellent results at Comstock this year, and we're yet to fully report and process all our results, given the guys in the core shed, they're still working through the Comstock logging. However, this is a great step to take this project and use the guys that have done it before. We're using the experts in small-scale startup production here in Victoria to advance our Comstock project. The guys at Core Prospecting, they've spent 9 years honing their skills, and they themselves have brought into production the small-scale Fiddler's Creek underground mine, and obviously the Wedderburn gold milling facility that they're now ramping up and we hope to utilise. Now, we've been successfully working with the guys at Core Prospecting since the inception of Aureka in late 2024. So what you should take away from this is that the Core Prospecting, the small-scale production specialists, they're going to help us at Aureka bring the Comstock project towards production. And the Aureka expert exploration team, well, they're going to remain focused on the flagship and the much, much larger Irvine Gold Project, where we see huge potential. And we've been having some excellent drill results lately, and drilling remains ongoing. Remember, our 300,000 ounces is just down the road from the over 5 million ounce Stawell gold mine. So overall, this is an exciting step forward as we're bringing that Comstock project towards production. And if you have a look at what was rewarded on the ASX in 2025, it was that tier of companies that are expected to be in production next, those with revenue on the horizon. And we're now taking Aureka into that tier of companies by engaging Core Prospecting, their mill, and utilising their skills and expertise. It's very exciting for our portfolio. And I look forward to keeping you updated in the weeks and months ahead. Thanks very much.